Hello, my name is Ridhwana Shaik, and I'm a sustainability-led creative and designer working in the footwear and apparel space. Having been in this industry for more than 9 years, I have seen firsthand the ravaging effects that this industry has had on the planet. From overflowing landfills to public waterways being completely decimated because of factories dumping effluent into them. It's really curious to think that a mere few decades ago, people gave so much more thought and care to the things that they spent their money on. Clothes and shoes gave the wearer years and years and years of use because the wearer took care of them in ways that we seem to have forgotten about, given the advent of fast and disposable fashion. As a creative, a designer, a person responsible for developing product, the first question that I always ask myself before beginning any new project is, where will this thing that I am creating, where will this product that I am creating spend the end of its life? Once it has completed its usefulness cycle, where will it go? Designing with circularity in mind means designing with 3 principles in mind. The first is to design out waste. The second is to keep resources and materials in the production cycle for as long as possible. There's so much value to be extracted from a manufacturer's floor, for example. And the third one is to regenerate natural systems as far as possible. Whilst these 3 principles require much more time to explore and deep dive into, as creatives, we can start to effect little changes by taking small little steps. It is about making better choices. For example, when we source, does your supply chain have to be so long? Can you not nearshore? Or how about creating a system that your product can enter once it has reached the end of its lifespan? Every decision in the creative process matters. As Africans, sustainable living has been an inadvertent part of most of our lives. And I think that point becomes one of contention when we succumb to the allure of fast and disposable fashion. As creators and consumers, we're all in an incredibly powerful position to effect real change every time we take out our money to buy, every time we put pen to paper to create. My name is Ridhwana, and I am a concept creator driven by the idea of sustainable design for a sustainable future. And I urge you to always think before you buy, question before you buy, do your research, and support the brands that are trying to make a difference to our environment. Thank you very much.